Is your dog constantly scratching, biting, or rolling around just to find some relief? You might be thinking, fleas? Allergies? But what if I told you that the shampoo you're using could be the real problem? In today's video, I'll show you how to make a 100% natural vet-approved dog shampoo at home using simple kitchen ingredients that actually soothes itchy skin instead of making it worse. So here you go, a soothing, natural, affordable way to help your itchy pup feel like their happy, tail-wagging self again. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Dr. Oo's Health Talk, and share it with other pet parents who care. Today's topic is all about itchy skin in dogs, one of the most common problems I see as a vet. Let's fix it naturally, affordably, and most importantly, safely. Before we jump into the recipe, let's understand why dogs get itchy in the first place. Now we see the common causes of itchy skin. Dry skin, caused by low humidity or overbathing. Allergies, food, pollen, or harsh chemicals in commercial shampoos. Bacterial or fungal infections. pH imbalance. Human shampoos are too acidic for dogs. A dog's skin has a natural pH of around 6.2 to 7.4, which is more alkaline than ours. Most human shampoos, and even some pet shampoos, are too acidic, stripping the skin's natural oils and causing dryness, redness, and itching. Now let's make our soothing, itch relief dog shampoo using just 5 safe, science-backed ingredients you probably already have. 1. Oatmeal, nature's anti-itch hero. How it works. Contains avenanthramides and beta-glucans, which reduce inflammation and lock in moisture. Use. Blend 1 cup of plain oats into a fine powder, colloidal oatmeal. 2. Coconut oil, natural moisturizer and antimicrobial. How it works. Rich in lauric acid, which kills bacteria and fungi while soothing dry, flaky skin. Use. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons melted. 3. Aloe vera gel, the skin soother. How it works. Contains polysaccharides that reduce redness and promote healing. Use. Add 1/4 cup of pure, unscented aloe vera gel, not green-colored. 4. Castile soap, the gentle cleanser. Why it's safe. Natural and unscented, it cleans without disrupting pH or causing irritation. Use. 1/2 cup. 5. Apple cider vinegar, optional, fungal fighter. How it works. Balances pH and kills yeast, a common cause of itchy paws and skin. Caution. Avoid if skin is broken or raw. Use. 1 tablespoon diluted in the mix. How to make and use it. Combine all ingredients in a clean bottle and shake well. It'll look creamy, with a slight oatmeal texture. Before each use, give it a good shake. How to apply. Wet your dog's coat thoroughly with lukewarm water. Massage the shampoo gently into their fur, especially itchy areas. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. No residue equals no irritation. Pat dry with a clean towel. Optional. Apply coconut oil as a leave-in conditioner. Tips for best results. To use once a week or every 10 days. Store in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Shake before use. Always patch test on a small area. Avoid contact with eyes and ears. Pair with a clean diet and omega-3 supplements for best skin health. When to see a vet. If your dog's itching continues, even after 2 to 3 weeks of natural shampoo, or if you see bleeding, crusts, or hair loss, it could be a sign of infection, mites, or deeper allergy issues. That's when you need to visit your vet ASAP. So there you go, a soothing, natural, affordable way to help your itchy pup feel like their happy, tail-wagging self again. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Dr. Oo's Health Talk, and share it with other pet parents who care. Comment below if you try this shampoo. I'd love to hear your results.